So now I want to show you how to find a limit using a table. So I have a problem here. The limit as x approaches 5 of x squared minus 25 over x minus 5. And later on, we're going to learn that this is really simple to find the limit using algebra instead of a table. But right now, I just want to use this to illustrate how to find a limit using a table. So the first thing we want to do before anything else, our first strategy for finding limits should always be just plug this 5 in and see if it works. Well, 5 squared minus 25, well, that's going to be 0. And then 5 minus 5, well, that's 0. And this is what's called an indeterminate form. We just have no idea because we can't divide by 0, so that's a bit of a problem. So one thing we know about limits is it has to approach the same number from the left and from the right. I'm going to make a table of x's and y's, going back to the same idea of Algebra 1. And I'm going to pick a number that's fairly close to 5, but not 5 that is less than or on the left side. So I want to pick 4.99. I want to pick another number, 4.999. That's really close to 5. And then I've got 5, and now I want to pick a number to the right, a number slightly larger than 5, but pretty close to it. So 5.001, notice I use 3 decimals and 3 decimals. And then 5.01, 2 decimals, 2 decimals. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in 4.99 into my f of x here. I'm going to plug in the 4.999 into this. I can't plug 5 because I get 0 over 0. I want to plug 5.001 into this and 5.01 into this. And if they're approaching the same number, I can make some sort of use deductive reasoning to find out what the limit's actually going to be. Well, when I plug in 4.99, I'm going to get 9.99, roughly. When I plug in 4.999, I'm going to get 9.999. Well, so far this looks like it's going to 10, but let's check the other side. If I put 5.001 in, I get 10.001. Huh. If I put 5.01 in, I get 10.01. So as I'm coming this way and that way, from the left and the right on this table, it seems like it's approaching the number 10. And in fact, that is what the limit is here, is just 10. So you don't have to do a whole bunch of numbers. If you do just 2 of them that are really reasonably close, you should be able to see it. You may get away with even just doing 1 and 1 here and see that it's approaching a really number. Or if it didn't exist, these numbers wouldn't even be approaching anything. Hi, I'm Mr. Buzzard, and these videos are supplemental instruction for my students. If you found the video enjoyable, make sure you click the like button and click subscribe, as well as the bell for notifications to receive future videos on high school mathematics.